Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So the sellers, they still got power there, my friend. It might that one just a trap, my friend, for you to enter. Then they will pushing the price down more, my friend. Be careful about that one very well, my friend. It might that just a trap for you to enter and to buy the Bitcoin, then they will send it down more than that. So be careful of that things, my friend. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. And we came back when the daily candle is finished. By the way, here, as you see here, also we are in the weekly chart. And as you see here, the 200 moving average, also we said it before, it's still valid. And that candle here, near to the week to finish, it's near to finish. Sorry, let me show it to you. For the picture to be more clear to you, my friend, try to zoom it like that for everyone to understand what also we're talking about. As you see here, my friend, that candle, it came tell low here. Now it's retracing up, so that level here of 200 moving average, it's still very stronger level. So everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture till now. So let's go lower to show you more. By the way, that one we are going to put a video about it when the week finished in Sunday. So let's go lower to daily. As you see, my friend, in the daily, the price it's finished. And as I told you here, that zone is very stronger zone. And that's what it proved to us. It came here, that big engulfing candle. As you see it, my friend, that one is showing big power of buyers. Everything is too clear, my friend. Everything in front of you. And that's the power of our analysis. We are not using no indicator, no nothing. Just price action like that. And everything is showing to you. That was me being telling you all that time. I told you here, the sellers, they don't got no power here to push the price down. And that's what happened. The buyers, when they came with big power, as you see it. And the push, it came a big engulfing candle, as you see it here, my friend. So that one, I think the price now, it will go in upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. If it is, go down and smash the like button and write for us a comment to support us for putting for you more content like this. Also, we putting for you analysis free, my friend. We give it to you here. The only things we ask you for just to support us by liking the video or writing for us a comment down. But the only way you can support us, my friend. So please go ahead and do it to support us, my friend. And another thing, my friend, the one that our indicator, it's still here in the orange. So as I told you, when it's going to reach here to the overbought area, that's the right time when to sell. And let me hope it's going to break here, that channel here, to break the top of it. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into lower time frames, my friend, to see what is it there. Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, also we used to have here, if you remember with us, and you being someone who following us, I know some people, they will say, why you every time you painting or you drawing that channel? Because I know some people that the first time of them here. So I want everyone to understand what else we're talking about. That's the reason why I do it every time, my friend. Because we used to have here the channel like that. And we said it's being broken here in that zone. As you see it. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, my friend, here. What happened? That channel, it's being broken here. The price, it went tail here. It went back, it gave you here that pain bar in that zone. Then it came that engulfing candle, that one. But till now, my friend, there is no enter yet. Why? As I tell it to you before, if you remember what did I told you. If you remember, just write it down in a comment, my friend. We said we got here that level of 24K is a very stronger level. Don't enter unless the price break here by a candle, my friend. If it don't enter and don't think of to enter, my friend. And by the way, if you see down here in the volume, the red is still powerful, my friend. The green, even when it came that candle, it's not bigger like the reds, my friend. So the sellers, they still got power there, my friend. It might that one just a trap, my friend, for you to enter. Then they will pushing the price down more, my friend. Be careful about that one very, 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 very well, my friend. It might that just a trap for you to enter and to buy the Bitcoin. Then they will send it down more than that. So be careful of that things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. And if you found the content valuable till now, my friend, please smash the like button to help us. You done it? Let's continue, my friend. So, my friend, as I told you, it's need to break that level of 24K, my friend. Everything is too clear. And as every time we need to analyze our indicator, my friend, as you see it, our indicator hasn't touched down yet. It's still orange. It hasn't came here to the oversold area, my friend. And we still have here a divergence, my friend. If you remember it, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. And the price doesn't give you a divergence like I would give it to you before in that indicator or RSI or CSI or MACD or all the indicators that what we also using them just to give us divergence, my friend. That's it. Because all the signals of them, they are useless, my friend. Because they just repenting themselves. By the way, if you want to learn from professional people, that's the job of them. By people, they been in the industry for more than 20 years, my friend. We trade all the types of the market. We trade Forex, we trade stocks, we trade now crypto from 2016, my friend. If you want to join us, my friend, down in the first comment, my friend, you're going to get a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course. It's not by us, by Udemy. The course is hosted actually in Udemy. The course in Udemy, it costs $200, but if you're using the couple link, it's going to cost you only $13, my friend, or 13 US dollar. It's the price of a cup of coffee, my friend. Go ahead and join the course. The course is going to teach you better than millions of courses. You find them online. They cost $1,000 or $2,000, my friend. That course is very, very, very highly information in it. It's going to teach you everything about a technical analysis, my friend. It's going to teach you how to draw support resistance, how to read candlesticks, how to draw trend lines, how to draw channels. And with every chapter, we got the most famous books about that chapter. Only the books, my friend, it cost more than $6,000. Also, we give it to you only by the price of a cup of coffee, my friend. Go and join the course and download all those books and read all of them, because all of them, some of them at multi-time frames, some of them at candlesticks, some of them how to draw support resistance, some of them how to draw supply and demand. Go and join the course, my friend. It's better than millions of rubbish courses they are online, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend? So let's go ahead and show you more, my friend. Now, my friend, let's go into lower time frame to 1 hour to show you more. What is it there, my friend? Here we are in 1 hour, my friend. In 1 hour, if you remember, we used to have here a triangle from here and here and here and here. That zone. That's the triangle of us, my friend. We draw it like that and like that. We draw triangles, my friend. Now, what is it in front of you? What you see in there, my friend? Let's zoom it and show it to you more clear, my friend. In the previous video, in that one, by the way, if you are new here and you haven't watched it, what did I told you here? We talk, because, by the way, my friend, if you are new here, also we put in 2 videos every day analyzing the Bitcoin, my friend. We put a video in the middle of the day after New York Open, and a video after the daily candle close, my friend. Also, we put in for you videos in the right time, my friend. As you see, I told you before, it's been broken here. Then look what happened. It came tail here. Then it came that candle here. That's what we showed you before. Then look what it did. It came down as if it's a fake breakout. Then it came outside, my friend, as you see where it is now. But as I told you before, and I will repeat it, my friend, also here, if it doesn't break that high here of 24K, my friend, that one is a very stronger level, my friend. It need the price to come like that and to break above it, my friend. If it doesn't break above the 24K, don't even thinking of to enter long, my friend. As I tell it to you, it might just a trap for you to enter short, my friend. Remember those things, my friend, and put it at your brain. Everything is too clear, my friend, because as you see it, it came to it first, then it came down. It came to it now. Look where we are. Before it came to it like that, then it dropped all that much. Now it came to it. Look what it did. It dropped. Now it came to it. So those people here in that zone of 24K, they need to finish because that level here, as you see it, it's being touched now. That the third time, my friend. That the first, second here, and now we are going to it for the third time. Let's see if it's going to hold at the third time. If it's not, it's going to break it, my friend, and it will go upward. By the way, if you are someone who's seeking to be an investor in the cryptocurrency, those things it will not help you, my friend. If you want to be an investor in the cryptocurrency, forget about technical analysis and everything. Wait in our weekly on-chain video where we're going to analyze for you the on-chain data and show you the fundamental about Bitcoin plus DCA, the Bitcoin, my friend. Forget about all the analysis about everything, just DCA, just bought slowly by slowly. Everything is too clear, my friend. So, my friend, that's it for today, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.